We all have habits we'd like to break, whether it's checking your phone late at night or overeating or drinking too much or procrastination. The list goes on. And it's not just our patients. As therapists, we all face the exact same challenges and never-ending temptations. And we all know that the current approaches, including behavior modification, sometimes fall short. And we all know that willpower is rarely the answer.
The good news is there are highly effective strategies developed by Dr. David Burns to help you and your patients overcome habits and addictions. And that's why we're so excited to have you join us for our new workshop, CBT for Healthier Habits, Lasting Change for You and Your Patients, online on March 28th.
Jill and I are going to illustrate the latest and greatest team CBT techniques. These are new, innovative techniques to help you and your clients overcome their habits and addictions and reclaim their lives. You're going to learn how to reduce the toxic shame that fuels all habits and addictions. Then you're going to learn about the 10 positive distortions that are hiding in your tempting thoughts. You're going to learn about the jaw-dropping triple paradox technique that boosts motivation and absolutely melts away resistance. And finally, you'll master the dramatic and fun devil's advocate technique, and more.
But David, what if my patients relapse? And what if I relapse?
They will, and so will you. That's absolutely guaranteed. But you'll also learn some powerful techniques like externalization of voices, stimulus control, and more. These methods will enhance the chances for lasting progress for you and your patients.
Plus, you'll earn 7 CEs while you practice in small breakout groups. And you'll receive helpful, personalized feedback from the outstanding teaching team at the Feeling Good Institute. It'll be a full day of fun, learning, and laughter, plus community building with inspiring teaching, live demonstrations, and hands-on therapy techniques. David and I really hope you can join us on March 28th.
Hope to see you there.